So what's up guys, nandito kami sa Canlas The Men's Cave, located dito sa Bulihan, Malolos. So kasama natin, barber natin na si Ken. Naisip ko kasing gupit, blowout taper. Blowout. So, yun, dito lang tayo magpo-focus. Fade dito, saka sa likod. Medyo paangat. Madugo na naman itong pinagawa mo sa akin. Ang kinagandahan pa dito kasi, meron silang cafe shop. So kapag naghihintay ka, pwede kang magkape. Tapos plus doon, meron kang play area. Ilan taong ka namin nagugupit? 3 years na. Ikaw, ilan taong ka lang nagpapagupit?
What did I do to deserve you? Don't even know what I did. Been praying on this since a kid. I guess it's just luck if you say so. How you get all of that body and